Hi everyone, I'm here today with Elisa VanderHout, and she is the one behind the court case that I've been involved in here in Canada, and she's going to tell us a little bit more about it because there's millions of Canadians who still don't know what's going on with their government and their government's attempt to shut down raw milk producers. So Elisa, can you give us the 30-second version of what this hearing is about, what these court proceedings are about, and then what's next?
Sure. There's two applications that have been joined together. One is from the director under the Milk Act, and it's the Attorney General's office. And then there's the region of York, and they're related to the public health unit. One is taking on their problem that they allege that we have a processing plant without a license. And the other one is going after the alleging of distribution into their region.
So basically, and we have a glass of it right here, fresh, clean, raw milk from the farm right outside. And basically they're saying you can't take the milk from the cows and put it into a glass.
Well, here's what you can do. You can drink the milk.
Okay.
That's not illegal.
Can I drink it too?
Sure. You can milk the cow. That's not illegal, but you can't put it from the cow into a tank, into a jar, into a glass. So if you want to drink milk, you have to get it right from the cow.
Okay, wow. So I was with you in court these past 3 days. Yesterday was the third day of this hearing, and you spoke very eloquently, and you had all your facts in there, and you sounded like you've been trained in law, which I know you've been a farmer for all these years. But that was really impressive, Elisa, and I know it took a huge amount of effort and background work. And then we heard from the pastor of the church where your truck makes a drop, and where people come and pick up the food from their animals because this farm is cooperatively owned by 150 families.
Yes, York region.
Yep. And so we heard from Jonah, Pastor Jonah, and then we heard from Marcus, and Marcus's submission was incredibly powerful. You know, he brought the whole courtroom to tears with talking about the government raids and how the raids have affected him growing up. And now he's raising his family here on the farm, and he's so concerned that it's going to continue. And none of us want to see that continue. No. So what's next with this? You have another day on Monday, correct?
That's right. So on Monday, there's two more respondents in this proceeding, Michael Schmidt and Skip Taylor, which is the representative for the Our Farm, Our Food Co-op, who is the owners of the cows and all the equipment that's used to process it. And they're going to be defending their position. And then after that, the applicants are going to reply. So we'll see what they come up with. And then the judge will provide a ruling. We don't anticipate he'll provide the ruling immediately. He'll more or less spend some time mulling it over. And we've been asked to give our email addresses so he can email us the ruling. Can you believe it?
Oh, wow.
So we're going to get like the inbox memo.
Interesting. Okay.
And if they show up and we hadn't read the email yet, we might be like, SOL.
Yeah. Okay, so if people want to support you, they can come to the hearing on Monday and any other days you might be in court.
Yeah.
And the address there is 50 Eagle Street, Newmarket. And then support you by donating to your legal defense fund.
Yeah. And
I will provide the link to that so everybody has that. And if you can't do either of those things, the best thing to do is support your local farmers. A great resource for that is 1000ecofarms.com. They'll point you to a farmer in your region. And is there anything else people can do to support?
Well, I think that people need to know that there's a possibility that they get their injunction. And if they do, we will be taking it on the constitutional question. So there's a constitution argument coming, could be coming after this. So.
Great. So keep an eye on this case and see how it transpires. And thank you so much, Elisa.
Thank you.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.